Good afternoon. It is September the 26th, 2016, and we thought today was going to bring us a down day, and we'll see that on F2. We'll see the B's behind us, and we thought that some people might be selling off the idea that maybe Donald Trump can win tonight. And my feeling is, and we had more hints that it might be true, is that because Wall Street is so all in for Hillary Clinton, that if it looks like that she might lose, they might actually start to sell the market and take profits. And that's going to present a dilemma for the administration, because they want every statistic to be as good as they can. They want the stock market as high as they can. So we're going to have a little drama here, I believe, especially if Donald Trump is deemed the winner tonight. We came in this morning wanting to sell the 49 area to, actually we started off at 52 to 55. Then we took it to 49 to 52 right in here, and we had a couple of opportunities to get there. Nice mean green trade here. This trade we scratched, could have made a point on that one. This trade really worked out very, very well for us. Off the mean green line, 48 down to 41, so there was 6 points in that trade if you'd taken it at the mean green line and stayed with it. If you took it right here, breaking that bar's low at 47, there was 5 points for you. So some pretty good trading. This buy right here produced a winner. This buy right here produced a small winner. No trade on that S. These two S's produced winners. No trade on that S. Now I get in on, if it doesn't come on the second bar, I don't take the trade. That's me. The signal is still valid, but I just find that the really, really good ones, you take out that bar's high or low on the next bar, and then the market runs pretty quickly or not. 50% IB retracement here at the white line. Turned out any of these S's would have made you a little bit. So pretty good trading when it was all said and done. Our idea was to find a place to sell it this morning, and that's still true into the close. So pretty good initial assessment. Things worked out as planned. Lower high, lower low on F1. Find a place to sell it. Looking at the F2 screen. A B. All the volumes in the second half. The bottom's not falling out of the market, but still a B. But you can see the volume is moving down, and we have this area over here in the 35, 37, where we thought we might find some support later on. We haven't quite made it yet. So if the market were to close right here, right now, we're selling 43s to 45s, 49 to 52 for sell 2. On the buy side, 35, 37 buy 1, and then 29 to 31 buy 2. We got the presidential debate tonight. I don't know who's going to win it. My feeling is that Trump will do better than expected, but I don't know that. Case Shiller up 1/10. PMI services, don't know. It was 50.1 on last one, so we'll put a question mark by that. Less than 50, the economy is in contraction. Consumer confidence, 98.8. That seems pretty high. And Richmond Fed, don't know. It was minus 11. So we do have some news tomorrow, but I imagine there could be some pretty good trading tonight after the debate. I'm guessing that Trump's probably going to do okay, a little better than okay, but that won't. The press will declare Hillary the winner, no matter what happens. And Hillary's biggest danger is fainting or having one of those little mini Caesars that she have, and I don't know what she has, but it's worse than pneumonia. She does not look well physically. She doesn't look like she's, and you can tell by her schedule, she doesn't have the stamina to do the job. And I think that's her biggest danger, is that something will happen to her. Okay, on treasuries, higher low, higher high. Some weakness in the stock market certainly helped. This is auction week. The 2-year was good. If we're going to have a weak auction, the 5-year is usually when it comes. So failure to extend the range in the Globex session tonight would set up a pretty nice little short to come back and retest support, in my opinion. But based on this screen, you're looking for a place to buy it. So, a couple of distributions up, very, very tight period. We extend the range, D, and then I always do an I split on auction week, so maybe C is the better split. And then right here we sit. So, as long as we stay above 3108, this market can trade higher. 5 to 9 will be buy 1. 29 to 01, buy 2. If we fail to take out 14, 16 in the overnight session, I could get short. So self-failure to take out 14 to 18. Then 20 to 24 for sell 2. Kind of quiet trading today in treasuries. We didn't have the volatility early in the 30-year that we've grown accustomed to, but markets speed up for a while and everybody gets beat up enough that they slow down. That could be happening in the bond right here, but and we'll do an I split here to pick up the auction. So first resistance is going to be 12 to 16, which is where we are. Maybe it's 16 to 20. 16 to 20, sell 1. 23, 27, sell 2. Because it's auction. I mean, come on, Charles. Anyway, this is number 1. This is sell 1. And 31 to 03 will be sell 2. We have to put 3 of them out there because of the volatility of this contract. 4 to 8 is 1. So 29's to 01, buy 1. And then 21s to 25s, buy 2. Have to take it down, but they don't break it. If they're going to move the paper, they want to move as quickly as they'd like to move it. The 5-year, if we're going to have a weak auction, it is the 5-year. Gold was very, very quiet today. A lot of the volatility's come out of that pretty quickly over the last 3 or 4 weeks. So trying to trade higher, an outside day that suggests trading range. It's an interesting split. Doesn't look right. P, volume well above time, so we don't have to be afraid to buy it. So 35, 37, buy 1. And then 30, 32, buy 2. On the sell side, 44, 46. And then 49 to 51. Looking at crude. Have an inside day trading range. OPEC is still meeting tomorrow. I think the 28th is when it's over. I don't know if there was news associated with that last sell-off or what, but it wouldn't surprise me. Like we said, we get everybody. No one expects a deal. So that's where we are. So we're at 64, 46, so 46, 46 and a quarter. We'll give it a little room to the upside. More positive statements than 50 to 75 for sell 2. On the buy side, 45 and a quarter, 45.50 buy 1. And then 44.75, 45 even buy 2. And the euro. I think the European Central Bank is facing the same problems that Japan is right now. What do they do next? Because the CPI and PPI numbers are coming in much lower than they would like to see the last couple of months. Deflation is the battle that everybody is fighting. So higher low, higher high. F1 says find a place to buy it. And F2, a B in an up market, that's long liquidation, so we might have a little selling here. 113 even, 113.10, sell 1, 13.25, 35, sell 2. On the buy side, 12.75, buy 1, 12.50, buy 2. And that's it for the September the 26th, 2016. I will available for questions here. Get everything up and moving. Be back in a few. And we can look at anything that you like to look at.